Our recipe is a tarantella pasta recipe with cacio e pepe sauce. Cacio e pepe is a cheese and pepper sauce. Chef Eliza is going to be teaching your class today. She's an amazing human being, an amazing chef. She's actually a Chopped winner, if you've ever heard of the Food Network Chopped show. She's a Chopped champion. So you have an amazing chef that's going to be teaching this class for you today. Oh, that's looking awesome. Love the color.
Now, also into that little mixture, we're gonna add a tablespoon of water. This is your sign that you're finished with your cutting. Just hold up a beautiful, oh, look at that. Everything. Tagliatelle, oh, la pappardelle. That 1-inch trick worked for you, huh, Todd? Look at those, Julie. That's beautiful.
Oh, they are so okay.
How gorgeous.
Oh, beautiful. Looking good. Pappardelle.
Cacio e pepe, roasted veggies. We have a really special guest who's going to join us in just a moment for a surprise that we have planned for you.
So our musician, his name is Chris Hoog. He is a touring saxophonist, and he's part of a band called Afrolicious.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more with the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say, hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more with the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more with the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more. What you say, hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more.
You guys, once again, we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts. It means a lot to be in your kitchen, especially in this time. So thank you for having us. Thank you for hosting this event. Amazon, Adobe, and Julie, thank you for organizing.
Thanks again.
Bye, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Julie.
Thank you, everyone.